Hello there and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into NASDAQ one more time. We're gonna take a look why this marketplace is actually crashing. NASDAQ has crashed, hasn't it? And a lot of you probably got caught by surprise. The marketplace was called to go higher, but then suddenly the marketplace has created an SMT right here at the top, started moving lower. Unfortunate? Might be. Is it expected? Of course it is. We call the marketplace just like you see it in front of you right now every single day in the Discord community. So for today's video, we're diving into NASDAQ, the price action itself one more time. We're gonna cover the economic news calendar, my expectations towards it, and the most important, we're gonna give you feedback in terms of what kind of expectations we have for this marketplace this upcoming week. First thing that I'm looking here at NASDAQ is the failure to take away the liquidity resting down below, right? Now we have quite a few regular equal lows down below. The marketplace fails to do that, but our main interest was the drawn liquidity higher that has been delivered on Monday's trading, with this volume imbalance getting filled. You might be saying, Ignas, we just inverted this volume imbalance. Why isn't the marketplace pushing us to the upside? One thing is something that we're gonna take a look at the lower time frame, but initially I'm looking at this. Higher time frame is always the priority. Higher time frame is always a thing that I'm interested in while it's relying on the marketplace, and the market literally stops dead even at the midpoint of this weekly imbalance. Taking a look at the weekly chart, the market is just being bearish. We retraced back into the range, found a resistance here at the midpoint of the weekly imbalance, and just started crashing lower for the rest of the week. Are we happy to have Tuesday high of the week? Wednesday in this case? Yes, of course we are. So the marketplace just continues lower because in my mind, in terms of not only technicals, but also fundamentals, there's nothing for the marketplace to do any higher than we are trading right now. My expectation for this week, I'm expecting the marketplace to continuously crash lower. We have liquidity resting below at 19,026. This is my initial drawn liquidity for the upcoming week. If we get elevated, 18,493.5 and 17,852.25. If you take a look at the NASDAQ's continuous contract, 16,900. Imagine how low that is. 16,900 is quite a possibility. I'm expecting the marketplace to go lower, but let's dive in. Let's take a look at what kind of market structure we're dealing with this upcoming week. For the economic news calendar, I'm looking at a pretty difficult week, to be fair with you. Monday, we have news, so what does it mean for us? Monday, we're not looking to engage with the marketplace much. Quite a few 5 a.m. Lithuanian time, which is 10 a.m. New York time releases here. So Tuesday is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna be expecting to take a look at the silver bullet trade for 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. price delivery. And this week we're taking a long weekend away from the marketplace. Surprise, surprise. Am I excited for that? Not really, because of the weather that we're being dealt with here in Lithuania, but at the same time, I'm quite happy with it. Friday, NFP delivers at 3:30 p.m. Lithuanian time, which is 8:30 in New York. That means that Wednesday, we close majority of our positions, because Wednesday, we expect the marketplace to start accumulating. Circus ride on Thursday, and Friday, NFP is just literally gonna kill the market off whatever way it's gonna be. So again, Monday no trading, Tuesday high probability entries. Leave the rest of the week for the ones who are not that advanced as you are in terms of experience. Now, regarding the cards that the marketplace is dealing us with itself, right? The first thing that has to come to your mind is the reaction away from the weekly imbalance and the midpoint of it. I would literally just say it reacted quick. When the marketplace reacts quick, as it did right in front of us for NASDAQ price delivery, we are excited to look for lower price, right? Market maker sell model is being presented for us as well in a way, with initial accumulation being here, second accumulation push to the upside. What do we have here? From here all this box, if we would put it together, this is a smart money reversal, first level of distribution, bam, and here we come into a place where we find our low risk sell that the marketplace has almost delivered, and we're gonna take a look in a couple of seconds if I'm expecting for that to be delivered and when, but just put it to your notes. Market maker sell model delivers the price lower for us. In terms of what else we've been looking for, heavily watching this new week opening gap. We kind of stated, and this is where the beauty of trading comes in, where we're able to make decisions every single day, every single hour in terms of what kind of price expectation we have. We were expecting initially for the marketplace to bounce a little bit away from here to push the price to the upside. We have a very small, very little, but still order block right here. If I remove these bad boys, this is our order block that I had an expectation for the marketplace to bounce from the new week opening gap, come into the breaker block, then start pushing us lower. But because of the beauty of the Discord community, because of the beauty of us being able to analyze the marketplace every single day, found the opportunities to go short here as well. So what are my actual expectations for this upcoming week? I have it twofold. If the marketplace immediately opens up lower with a new week opening gap, crashing the marketplace to the downside, right? I'm just gonna treat it as a resistance level. So if the marketplace opens up, let's say, imagine this is a bearish candle that we start printing on Monday, and we have a massive new week opening gap right here in front of us. Everything below it for me is just gonna remain bearish. Somehow the marketplace manages to go above it. We're gonna treat it as a potential buy entry towards what? Towards the 50% level of the range. Where is the 50% level of the range? This is going to be the high, and we're gonna use the most previous low that is gonna be created this upcoming week. Let's take a look at the most recent range and the drawn liquidity, which is gonna be the 50% level, or in other words, equilibrium. What you can expect also that the marketplace will crash a lot. And this is not a random low that I'm printing out on my chart. Printing out this low because if then marketplace comes back into equilibrium, take a look here. We have a previous daily volume imbalance allowing the marketplace to resist and continuously push lower. Expectation 1, if the new week opening gap pushes us away and lower from the daily liquidity, breaching this double bottom that everybody is, as a retail trader, expecting to hold the marketplace in, I'm gonna be watching the new week opening gap. Everything above it, if we invert it, is gonna be bullish to bring the price back into the dealing range. If we stay below it, I'm gonna continuously look to short towards 19.026, 18.493. All right. What if the marketplace opens up bullish, and let's say we open up somewhere around here this upcoming week, which is tomorrow? I'm gonna be watching this volume imbalance as well. Again, in terms of the new week opening up, that is gonna be important. It might push the marketplace to the upside, but that will be only building in some premium. But I'm then gonna be watching this daily volume imbalance. We'll be looking for it to accumulate the marketplace, and the main entry for us is gonna be delivered from this level towards sell side, resting down below in terms of already a triple low. So whatever the new week opening gap gives us, the expectation for the marketplace is to go lower. All right, keep that in mind. Enjoy the rest of the weekend. Leave a like to this video if you haven't, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and guys, if you want to know when the actual reversal happens this upcoming week, come to the Discord community. The information on how to get there is down below in the description of this video. I say goodbye for now. Enjoy the rest of the day, and I'm just gonna see you next time. Bye bye.